Namaskar, this is Triman Sehgal. I work for these children of God whom we call animals. I am a mother and father to them by the grace of Vaiguruji. Now, this is all the dirt which I have gathered from the terrace, and I have just put it one section I am cleaning. This is because of all the corruption, cruelty, crime and addiction in our locality, because of which the servants whom we kept, they cheated and they harmed the children whom I have adopted. They poisoned them, they even threatened us, they even blackmailed us, and because seeing our small family and that and are taking advantage of our goodness and simplicity. Now and we, like fools, we just dependent on them and took that they'll be loyal and they'll be they will reciprocate in the same way. But humans are the most disloyal and the most corrupt species on planet Earth, and that's why I have lost my faith in humanity for humans. Only for those who are on the path now, and I don't think they need those who are on the path of yoga, a journey of spiritual wisdom within. They don't need anything. Now I want justice for our family. I've been posting how our family has been totally destroyed by the neighbors, the tenants and the servants. First my grandmother, where I lost my father due to the poisoning of these tenants and the neighbors, and I lost my father because the kind of mental harassment and defamation and character assassination, everything I have gone through, people spitting on my face, following me, and totally defamation that to destroy me. Nowhere. They have left nowhere. Now I seek justice from the Prime Minister that and the International Court of Justice and the Home Minister, that because of the corruption of the previous government, the BJD and the Congress, why an ordinary citizen suffers. Today they are making dirty politics about dog issue and all, just to gain vote bank and all, this Congress party and other parties and all. Where was this? All of a sudden this issue came up. I, as a mother and father to these children, I demand a CBI inquiry into all this, that any political party cannot play dirty games with individual citizens' life and the innocent life of these children who can't speak. They are using these children for gaining sympathy, for vote, and for taking all this mileage and everything. Why? Why? Now you can see, that is Kalu. He is there. Now Monday I had called the helpline 1962 animal helpline. They didn't turn up. Morning 11 o'clock I called up. They didn't turn up. Yesterday I called up. They didn't turn up. Today I gave a piece of my mind. They came and whatever. The thing is, the PFA people who have taken tender out here, they feel that they are doing a favor. They are doing a favor. They are taking money from the government for treatment. They don't have proper medicines. They don't keep the right people. The people who used to come, one team who used to come, they question about our personal life and they spit on my face, spit on these children. That person, the person who drives the vehicle, he had earlier asked about our personal questions about our home, and then he spitted also. Why? An inquiry that constantly people have been doing defamation of our family and constantly spitting and all this. There needs to be a CBI inquiry into all this and strongest punishment. strongest punishment. And the present government, can't they take all these issues where due to all this corruption, now the helpline which is not working properly, the present government which is there, they should understand, they should see that the corrupt people are bringing bad name to the present government. Are they so innocent? Why calling so many times they didn't turn up? And the doctor who comes during the morning time, every time that person comes, today he had also come, that doctor, he speaks loudly. He speaks loudly and very, because he's a doctor, he can say any dog is a rabbit case. I as an individual citizen, I have been sensitizing people in the locality, feeding, taking care of the welfare of these children. And he, in the local market, a dog was not well. He was having some viral infection. He just said that it is a rabbit case. And there what happens, there's a fear, and then they throw stones on the innocent animal. So what kind of people are there? You see, as long as this tender business will go on, there will be corruption. And these NGOs, see, we as individuals, we are taking care selflessly, doing the feeding, taking care of the welfare. The government should, and I have adopted so many community animals to be an example for others to follow. So government should provide us with all support. And instead of giving these tenders, which is a cause of corruption, one should, at every locality, as there is a dispensary for humans, there should be a community care center for these children of God. Because due to their love and pure unconditional love, there is humanity on the streets. There is love and humanity on the streets. They are my best teachers of love and humanity. I have been nurtured with that. I have been blessed with great teachers, with great grandparents, and with great parents. I have been nurtured with lot of love, and that in St. Joseph, Cuttack, lot of that moral science subject has nurtured that goodness and for people and on life. Till 10th we had that, but that goodness and simplicity we have been blessed with our parents and our grandparents and the teachers of, I give full credit to Cuttack Convent, Cuttack Convent, the sisters and the teachers, and my teachers in Pune, Shri B.K. Sayangar, Guruji and his legacy, and the teachers of Pune University, and my teachers, Dr. Brother in Pune, selflessly working to inspire others in to have faith in love and humanity and goodness. Today, with lot of defamation, calling me by different names, mental, calling me so many things, they have destroyed me completely. My confidence, my self-worth, everything, these neighbors, these tenants and these servants have destroyed. I demand justice. Where am I? If even a person who came from Mumbai to deliver something, they have spoken shit about me. Totally, that person was totally shocked, and when I heard, no one will come to our home. They have done like this, done lot of defamation, that no one will come. No one will come. The all kind of violence I have faced, denying me everything, made me a destitute. I have a family, I have friends, denying me right to work, family, community, everything. And this corruption has started now once and for all. I don't say this corruption has started during that BJD time. Naveen Patnaik is answerable. Please show this video to Naveen Patnaik. It has started since your time and the Congress time. So much of corruption, so much of crime, cruelty, addiction. That simple people like that Buddha Raja, the family, they have suffered after their parents' death. The children, the sons are on the streets, blackmailed by the servants. You see, today, when we have taken out these servants, they have a union and the corporator who is a BJD person. They have made a thing that we don't have any option, we will call them. We are forced to call the same servants because they will not allow anyone else to come. You see, they have done this. So those servants, I repeat, all the details are given to Menka Gandhi. The numbers of the servants, everything is given. Why hasn't she done anything? Why hasn't she reported this to the Prime Minister and all this thing? But to prevent cruelty by humans on these children, I've time and again mailed her. I have respect for her, what she has done, but to be honest, now it has come to the life of these innocent children and to those feeders who are risking their life day and night. They are no NGOs. Feeders are no NGOs. Those who are working on the streets, working selflessly, nurturing. I, as a natural farmer, I'm nurturing love, peace, truth, justice for all, life in nature. I have known to inspire others, to be an example for others to follow. My grandmother, my parents and my grandparents, they have made our home with hard work, money. They have not begged anyone. My grandmother, she used to prepare meal for these office people. My grandmother, my Guru Granth Sahib Ji, my holy scripture is my grandparents. And my father, pure heart, and my parents, they have nurtured me with lot of love. And today these people, the tenants, the neighbors, and those threatening to grab our home, everything, and to they have threatened my mother and my brother. That is why a camera or something, I can't communicate with my loved ones. They have made me a destitute. This is the worst kind of violence. I can't meet my loved ones. I'm denied even my doctor from Pune, where I get my prescription for my health problems or anything. I'm denied. They are not able to prescribe any medicine or anything where I used to consult them. So all kind of violence I'm going through. I demand justice. This is worse than death. Worse than death. If in so many months, since last 1 year, I'm suffering gradually. When I said that everything will be put to these children's name, Gurdwara, and it is being done and it will be done. I will work. I just called to, as my grandmother had faith in the holy scripture, I called to Vaiguruji. Vaiguruji, Vasudev, Govind, Hari, Ram, Lord Krishna. I call him for help. Just as Draupadi called Lord Krishna for help, I call. And for justice, for all life in nature. Renuka Chaudhary, all of a sudden, Rahul Gandhi, all of a sudden, they have lot of love for dogs and all. Where were they? They are making an issue. They have only started all this thing, bribing the media and everything. I request the Prime Minister and Amit Shah Ji, the Home Minister, put a CBI inquiry. Let it come to the public notice that any political party, I repeat, I am an ordinary citizen, I don't belong to any political party, but I have deep respect for the Prime Minister and the present government because they are doing good work. So any issue, these NGOs and all, they are creating an issue. Can't they put forward a respectful letter or communicate with the Prime Minister? Animal Welfare Board of India, anything. Can't they communicate and bring forward a thing, consult people like us and do? I have done my MBA e-commerce from Pune University, MSc Anthropology, Diploma in Human Rights, and a yoga student of Sri B.K. Sanger since last so many years. During my MSc Anthropology, we had an option, we could take few papers from other department. So I took papers of environmental philosophy and other animal psychology and all. But more than that, these children are my teachers. So to consult, I give my experience and everything to the government, to the International Court of Justice for all life in nature, and whatever funds I get, I'll put it for these children. And I request the Prime Minister, I offer, please start, I want animal healing space out here, and I want the government's help. Let us start from our home, a center where the best to best doctors on holistic animal health will be out here. Natural healing space for both humans, destitutes, those who have no one, and Mother Nature, and for these children. These children are the most destitute. And for the destitute, like you see, calling me bastard, calling me by different names. Today, my mother is there, my brother is there. They have big mental support. They have big mental support. My mother, she is a government servant. She retired as a joint director in health department. Now also she goes for health checkup to a school, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Now, as a doctor, I question, as a daughter, what has my mother got as a doctor? We don't have a helper. Should the government not provide us with a helper and all? We are working selflessly with love. I can't see my mother, working so much. I can't see her working like this. Though she doesn't say a word, but I, as a daughter, I feel. You see, the children have the right. If the parents don't take care of their health, they can shout, they can tell, they have the right. The parents also have the right. So one-to-one communication, I am very open and straightforward with everything, like my father. I just speak my mind out. So no outsider is to, they are tapping all now I am on the terrace. They are tapping all our information, whatever I speak, whatever when I go. What is this? I mean, what is this? Our personal life, everything. I have my loved ones. I have my sister from my father's side. I have my sisters, from my mother's side. I have I'm the eldest. I have my loved ones. Whatever, when I see them, I feel a connection because I'm connected to both my grandparents, and I'm blessed that I have so wonderful and grandparents, especially from my father's side, very brave, my grandparents, and from my mother's side, very simple, dedicated. Both were very simple and dedicated. From my father's side, my grandparents were exceptional because they were very brave. I don't know why. After the loss of my father also, they never broke down in front of us. They were very brave to be there for us. I wish I could understand the depth of their love when they were alive, and I could do something for them. This understanding needs to be there. This understanding should be there when a person is alive. I wish I could read the Holy Scripture under my grandmother's guidance and my grandfather's guidance. I wish my grandparents, what they did for my father's sister, my bua, I wish they would have trained me the same way in reading the Holy Scripture, driving a car, whatever. I wish my father, the greatest loss is the loss of my father. Today I feel, when the tenant used abusive language and attacked me and threatened me, could he have dared to do that if my grandparents were alive? Could he have dared to do that if my father was alive? Yeah, my mother is managing everything. She's quiet, she's wise, she has her own way of tackling things, but no one would have dared if my father was alive. His bones would have been broken, or he would not be spared also. My grandparents were there. That fear, how dare? That means there is no, during the previous government and the Congress government, there has been no respect for an individual man or a woman. There is no social security. These servants blackmail. So there was one girl ahead of this petrol pump. Ahead of that, after she lost her father's parents, she was called by different names, mental, mad, everything. And poor thing, she was deprived of a helper, and people spoke so much. That place was hers, but she was I don't know, must be living in a total misery. And Buddha Raja's family, the sons were blackmailed by the servants. The brothers cannot meet each other, sister, all this. And here also, the Padi family, there's no one, the servants and that Patanjali, what he has done. So crime happens. You give an environment for the crime to flourish, corruption to flourish, cruelty to flourish, and addiction. And this Bapi Mangraj, how he has become so rich, this is due to addiction, crime, taking contracts for destroying a family. This Bapi Mangraj, the tenants and these neighbors have poisoned my father. I'm damn sure about it. Because they mentally harassed my brother, and my brother's condition is like this, showing pornographic movies to my brother and all. I demand justice. And our home, everything will be put as a Gurdwara in these children's pure unconditional love. My grandparents, my parents, and all my teachers and loved ones. First and foremost, pure unconditional love of these children of God, because they have made me realize the importance of, they have saved my life, they have given me a purpose in my life, they have also given me the thing to get up every morning. You know, they have brought me closer to my grandparents' love, my parents' love, my father's love, and my teachers. My doctor brother in Pune, my teachers, so who through their own selfless work, selfless service to humanity and all life in nature, have inspired me to have faith. I demand justice. And all those servants, that Kunni, that servant who was working, she's a total, her whole family is a blackmailer. They stay near that Infa Gully. They should be thrown out. Her sister staying Netto, she's staying near that corporate space. They should be thrown out from this area. They already have a case registered. These people who are playing with, you see, this Kunni she is controlling everything. She was nothing before. She's controlling all the servants, who should work, who should not work, threatening and everything. She's this Bapi Mangraj and his neighbor's person. These people should be thrown out, so that, because wherever they work, they are threat to a senior citizen and every person's home and everything. They blackmail, they threaten, they record, and the servant who has worked, whom we trusted, that Rajesh, Nihar, everything. And this helpline people who earlier had come and they spoke about our home. That Kalaranga team which comes, the helpline people, how dare they question about our home, and how dare they come and spit on my face and spit on my grandparents' home. Everything is my grandparents. Everything. We are alive because of them. Everything belongs to them. You don't come out of anywhere, na? So those and these children, and how dare they spit when a person is spitting constantly, totally you feel so much like it's the worst kind of violence. If someone is spitting, defamation, all kind of names, it totally destroyed us. I demand justice. And for these children, Renuka Chaudhary, where were you? Rahul Gandhi, where were you before? And now all of a sudden, dirty politics. Please don't use these children's pure unconditional love for your own personal political gains. Please. And don't use individual personal life for political gains. For God's sake. Thank you.